Now we will quickly revise our class norm. We have to stay on mute. Okay. Check everyone if you're on mute. Shreya, please mute. Check everyone if you are on mute. Shreya Kalambe. Good afternoon, Chaitra. Please mute. Mute everyone. Okay. So online class norm number 1, we will mute. Now, class norm number 2, we will use our Zoom hands. So if you want to say something, use your Zoom hand. Camera ke samne haath nahi aage kijiye. Use your Zoom hands. So you know, and I also know that you want to speak. So Zoom hands, Zoom thumbs up and thumbs down hum use karne wale hain. So now we are going to use the Zoom hands now. Third norm is to be very kind, and you have to do your best. You have to come ready to the class. So I hope you are ready with your notebooks, pencil, erasers. Yes, textbook is also here close to you. Okay. Now, today we are going to start with some new topic. But before we start with a new topic, I want to do a little exercise with you. So we will all quickly start shaking. You know the shake it off? Yes? Let's shake it off. Come on, let's start shaking. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it off. Come on, shake it off. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it to your right. Shake it, shake it, shake it to your left. Shake it to your right and shake it to your left and shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake your shoulders. Come on, relax them. Move them, move them, move them, move them, move them. Yes. Shake your head slowly, slowly. Shake your head slowly, slowly. Front and back, slowly, slowly, front and back. Okay? Slowly, slowly, Sonakshi, slowly, beta, slowly. Right? Keep shaking. Shake yourself. Do the chicken dance. Do the chicken dance. Do the chicken dance. Yes, yes, do the chicken dance. Yes, yes. I like that. Yes. Okay. Now let's sit. Yes. Keep your back straight. Back straight. Make sure you have your back straight. Now I'm going to give you 5 counts for breathing. So when my finger goes up, you will breathe in. When my finger comes down, you breathe out. Okay, 5 breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out. You need not do this, children. ये आपको करने की जरूरत नहीं, आप सिर्फ breathe करो. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Okay, now let's rub our palms. Let's quickly rub our palms. Let's create some warmth, some heat. Place it on your neck. Then on your shoulder. Then on your elbow. Then on your wrist. Yes. And let's blink 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready to learn? Yes. Say yes. Like 2 thumbs if you're too ready. If 1 thumb if you're okay ready. Yeah. Ready, ready, ready. Ready, ready. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is, okay, you are all okay. Now, quickly. Okay. I need a noun. Can somebody tell me a noun? एक noun चाहिए मुझे. Give me one noun. Who can give me a noun? Name of a person, animal, thing, person. कोई भी noun, कोई भी चलेगा. Give me one noun. Quickly. Who's going to give me one noun? One noun. Didi is looking for a noun.
Lion.
Lion. Okay.
Bear.
So Anush said lion and Chaitra said teddy bear. Okay. Now I want you to add a word before the noun. इस noun से पहले एक sentence बनाओ. इस word को लेकर Chaitra. Where is Chaitra? Okay. Chaitra.
Yes, Didi.
Yes, Chaitra. Please make a sentence with your teddy bear. You use the word teddy bear. अब teddy bear को use करके एक sentence बनाओ. Anush, you use the word tiger. अब उसको सोचकर एक sentence बनाओ. Make a sentence.
No, lion.
You said lion. Okay.
Yes.
So make a sentence on lion now.
Bear. Rabbit. My teddy bear is big.
Okay, I think only one person is following the rule of raising hand, and that is Tanishka. So Tanishka is going to get a chance to say. Tanishka, I want you to give me a sentence, beta. Tanishka?
Okay.
Yes, beta.
In apple. In apple. And
No, Tanishka, I'm asking for a
black,
Tanishka. Listen to the instruction, Tanishka.
black.
Tanishka, listen to the instruction. Didi said एक noun चाहिए. So Chaitra gave teddy bear and Anush gave a word lion. I want you to use any one. या तो lion use करो या तो teddy bear and make one sentence for us.
Didi. Okay,
Hmm.
Didi.
Yes, Chaitra, you want to try? Raise your Zoom hands. Please use your Zoom hands. Please use your Zoom hands. Zoom hands use kiye. Please use your Zoom hands. Yes, Chaitra will speak.
Didi.
Only Chaitra, please. Thank you.
My teddy bear is big and in color pink.
Okay, my teddy bear is big and in color pink. Yes, Tanishka, are you ready? Please give me your sentence. Thank you, Chaitra.
Yes, Didi. Mango. My
Please.
favorite is fruit mango.
My favorite fruit is mango. Okay. Next, anybody else?
Mango.
Anush ka turn. Thank you so much, Tanishka. Now Anush's turn. Anush,
Yes,
your
Didi.
turn, beta. Give me a sentence.
Lion. Lion. Come my home and playing.
Okay, lion comes at my home and plays. Okay, thank you. Now I want Drona also to try. Yes, Drona.
Rabbit so cute.
Okay, rabbit so cute. Okay. Now you all made sentences, amazing responses. Now we will quickly look at what Didi has to share. Okay, now I want you to all stay on mute. Didi is going to put you on mute, but Didi's chat box will be open. So the chat box is now open for everybody to quickly type in it. Okay. Yes, Harsh, are you ready? Harsh, are you ready, beta? Yes, Harsh, I'm waiting for your response. Harsh. Okay. Yes, Harsh, are you ready? Super. Okay. Now we will quickly share screen and Didi is going to put you all on mute. So let's disable the annotation and let's start the spotlight. Didi ne spotlight on kar diya. So a very good afternoon and welcome to your English class. We have revised our norm to stay on mute and we will use our Zoom hands. आप Zoom hands use करोगे तो दीदी को दिखेगा कि कौन सा बच्चे को बात करनी है. So please use your Zoom hands. Zoom thumbs, Zoom hands. Be ready for your class and be kind when you are ready to go. Now you told me all. आप सब लोग ने मिलके मुझे nouns कहा. You told me about lion. You told me about teddy bear. Somebody told about lion coming home and play. I think that was Anush. Then we had the rabbit by Drona. Drona said rabbit is very cute. Now I will give you a sentence. Okay, look at this sentence where Didi is pointing out. Wait, Didi is going to give you one sentence. Okay, listen to it very carefully. Listen to the sentence very carefully. I have a water bottle. I have a water bottle. Okay, I have a water bottle. What is the noun?
Bottle.
Water bottle. I have a water bottle. Very good. What word did I use before noun? Noun से पहले कौन सा word था? Before noun. I have a water bottle. What is the word before water bottle? I have a water bottle. I have a water bottle. I तो starting में है. Starting में. I have a water bottle. Water bottle से पहले क्या word था? What is before water bottle? Have. Everybody's copying each other's answer. Nope. Nope. Think, listen. Hocus pocus. Hocus pocus.
Everyone focus.
Okay, so now listen to Didi. Didi said, I have a water bottle. Water bottle बोलने से पहले दीदी क्या बोल रही है सुनो. Listen to it again. I have a water bottle. Oh, yes. Again, the water bottle is blue in color. अब water bottle noun है. Very good, Harsh. Correct answer, Harsh. The water bottle. Please stay on mute. Thank you so much. The water bottle is blue in color. अभी यहाँ पर इस sentence में दीदी ने water bottle से पहले कौन सा word किया? Use, listen to it very carefully. The word that दीदी is going to use before the noun. Okay, your noun is water bottle. The water bottle is blue. Harsh will answer. What is the word before water bottle? Water bottle से पहले दीदी कौन सा word कह रही है? Harsh. Only Harsh will answer, please. Yes, Harsh. The water bottle is blue. Harsh will answer, please. Please wait, everybody else. Respect the speaker. Yes, Harsh. Harsh Tripathi बताइए. The water bottle is blue. Water bottle से पहले कौन सा word use किया था दीदी ने? The water bottle is blue. Listen. No, beta. There is a child already speaking. Harsh की turn है. And let everybody please wait. No, beta. You'll have to wait. Harsh is speaking.
Did I drink water?
Yes, you can drink water. The water bottle is blue. Water bottle word से पहले दीदी ने कौन सा word use किया? What word did दीदी use before water bottle? The water bottle is blue. Think again, Harsh. फिर से सोचो. Water bottle से पहले क्या बोल रही है दीदी? सुनो. I'm going to repeat the sentence. The water bottle is blue.
The.
One second, everybody else. Please wait. I should not have to put you all on mute. Please follow the class norms. The water bottle is blue. The water bottle is blue. What word is used before water bottle? Water bottle से पहले कौन सा word use हो रहा है? Harsh.
The.
Everybody else, please wait. The water bottle is blue. यहाँ पर water bottle आता है उससे पहले कौन सा word आ रहा है? सुनो अच्छे से. I'm repeating again. The water bottle is blue. Is नहीं है बेटा. The है. The water bottle से पहले use किया हुआ word है the. Okay. Now let's look at some more sentences. Words such as a, and, the. ठीक है? All these words are articles. तीन type के articles होते हैं, a, an और the. Now we will quickly look at them. Articles are what? Articles are words used before a noun. जैसे कि दीदी ने कहा, this is a water bottle. A बोला तो a आपका article बन गया. अब दीदी इसी bottle के बारे में कह रही है, the water bottle is blue. तो the भी use किया दीदी ने. So the is also your article. There are three articles. What are those articles, Harsh? तीन articles कौन से हैं? Please repeat the articles for me. Three articles. A, and. Chaitra, mute. There is one child speaking. Is everybody Harsh in this class? सबका नाम हर्ष है यहाँ पर. Can Harsh speak? बाकी सबको बोलना है. मैं हर्ष को चांस देना चाह रही हूँ. Please let him speak. Everybody please stay on mute. हर्ष, तीन articles कौन से हैं? A, and, the. Super. So there are three articles, a, an, and the. Articles करते क्या है? What do articles really do? Articles are words that are used before a noun. Noun से पहले use होने वाले words को articles कहते हैं. Now these articles, main function of this article is to help you tell you the noun का number. Mostly articles तब use होते हैं जब हम एक चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हो या फिर किसी specific चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हो. That is when we use nouns. Now, Chaitra, please unmute yourself and read the first sentence for us.
कौन सा वाला दीदी?
The first sentence. Please read the first sentence for me.
I am a doctor. I am a doctor.
I am a doctor. Sonakshi Gupta, please tell me what is the article in the first sentence.
I am a doctor.
Thank you, Chaitra. Sonakshi, okay.
Doctor.
डॉक्टर आपका नाउन है और नाउन से पहले यूज होने वाला आर्टिकल कौन सा है? व्हाट इज द आर्टिकल बिफोर डॉक्टर? वेरी गुड, थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ तनिष्का बोर्डेकर, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. थैंक यू सोनाक्षी. तनिष्का बोर्डेकर, read the second sentence for me, please.
Okay, Didi. The car in the park lot is new.
The car in the parking lot is new. What is the noun यहाँ पे? Can you tell me a noun? I want only Tanishka to help me out here, please. Tanishka, noun क्या है इस line में बेटा? What are the nouns?
The, Didi.
Nouns है the.
The parking.
Tanishka, please look at the sentence again. Anush, please go on. Yes.
Didi, parking.
No, parking is one noun. और एक noun है. और एक noun है तनिष्का. Only तनिष्का. Only तनिष्का. आरुही wait बेटा. तनुष्का और कौन सा noun है?
Is.
One naming word is car and the other one is parking lot. ठीक है तनिष्का?
Okay.
और इन दोनों से पहले यूज होने वाला आर्टिकल, what is the article used before them?
The.
In both places the is used. Okay. Thank you so much. Third sentence. Daksh, please unmute and read. Daksh Naik.
For breakfast.
Please repeat again. We lost you. Internet थोड़ा सा lag हो गया बेटा. Please repeat it again.
She ate an apple in eggs for breakfast.
She ate an apple and eggs for breakfast. Thank you so much. Now, can you tell me, Daksh, which is your noun? Noun क्या है इस sentence में? Noun. एक noun ही ज़्यादा है. Apple. Any कहाँ पर है? Eggs, अंडे, eggs.
No.
Eggs. मैं noun पूछ रही हूँ बेटा, मैं article नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. I'm asking you nouns. Naming words क्या है हमारे? Nouns. Eggs है. और what are more? There are more than one nouns in this sentence. Please tell me.
Apple.
Okay, so there is apple, there is eggs and breakfast. Now, can you tell me one article that is used in this sentence? Article. An. So an is another article used. Now, Arohi, thank you so much. Arohi.
Yes, Didi.
Read the last one for me, Arohi. Amit.
Amit is
And Indian. Okay, thank you so much, Arohi. Arohi, मुझे बताएंगे इसमें noun क्या है? Noun. Proper noun, common noun. What are the nouns?
N.
वो तो article है. मैं noun पूछ रही हूँ. Noun. Tell me what is the noun?
Indian.
Indian is your noun. You can say Amit is your proper noun. Indian is your noun. But there is an article used before Indian. That is an. Okay. Thank you so much for that, Arohi. Now we saw three articles. A and the. Right? Quickly go to the chat box and tell me what you think are the three articles. जल्दी से chat box में जाके मुझे बताएंगे कि कौन से तीन articles अभी हमने देखे. Quickly type in the chat box. Everyone. 1, 2, 3, go. Three articles. What are the three articles? Quickly tell me in the chat box. जल्दी से chat box में डालेंगे fast. Okay, I can see Samyak also joined. Very good. Deep ne right answer. Daksh, Sonakshi, superb. Superb, Samruddhi. Amazing, beta. Keep sending your answers. I want to see more responses in the chat box. Yes. Anush, yes, correct. Samyak, please type in the chat box. How many articles are there? Tejal, very good. Anush, very good. I want somebody else also to type. Come on, Samyak. Harsh. Come on, Raj, Drona. Type in the chat box. Arohi also typed. Yes. Samruddhi, Disha, type in the chat box. Deep bhi type kar raha hai. Very good. Daksh bhi kar raha hai. Very good. I want to see more names. Yes. Drona is also asking. Yes. Samyak. So there are three articles. A and the. Superb. But you can't just use a and the everywhere, right? There are rules for that also. Let's look at the rules quickly. Okay. Now articles are 3, but they have been divided into 2 parts. 2 parts में उनको बांट दिया गया है. एक set है indefinite article. One set is indefinite articles in which you have a and. When we are not sure who we are talking about or what we are talking about, हम जब पक्का नहीं होते हैं कि किसके बारे में बात चल रही है, पर वो कोई एक चीज है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. जब हम पक्का नहीं होते हैं, that time we use और and. बट जब हम कंफर्म होते हैं, जब स्पेसिफिक होते हैं, जब हमें पक्का पता होता है कि हाँ, दिस इज द बॉटल वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, दिस इज द माउस दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, दिस इज द पाउच वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. जब हमें पक्का पता होता है, जब हम पक्का हो जाते हैं, that time when we are very sure, when we are very specific, is when we use the definite article, example the. So indefinite article and definite article the. ठीक है, 2 पार्ट्स में आर्टिकल्स को बांट दिया गया है. Now what we will do is look at the rules of using these articles. Now Samruddhi, are you with us? Beta, switch on your camera. Deep, Disha, I can see Vimla. Very good. Switch on your cameras. Let me see your faces. Now when we have to use and की दोस्ती है. He has got best friendship. He's very best friend of vowels. Now I want Samyak to unmute himself and tell me the 5 vowels. Samyak, tell me the 5 vowels. Samyak. Samyak. No, I'm waiting for Samyak. Samyak, please tell me the 5 vowels. Samyak. 5 vowels कौन से हैं? Please tell me the 5 vowels. Samyak.
साथ में डालना है दीदी. O A.
Chaitra, your name is Samyak. Chaitra, your name has turned into Samyak. Let's wait for him. Samyak. I think he has internet problem. Samyak.
And orange and
I request everybody to please stay on mute. Yes, Disha, you want to try the 5 vowels? We will wait for Samyak to rejoin. I think there is a network problem at Samyak's end. Disha,
yes.
can you please tell us the 5 vowels? Name the 5 vowels of English. A.
E.
I. O. U. U.
U.
We will repeat it again. Yes, please repeat it again loud and properly for everyone to listen. 5 vowels of English.
A-E-I-O-U.
Okay, Samruddhi, please repeat what just Disha said. Samruddhi Sonavane. Name the 5 vowels that Disha just said.
A-E-I-O-U.
Samruddhi only. Thank you so much, Disha beta. I am looking for Samruddhi's response now. Samruddhi, 5 vowels. What are the 5 vowels that Disha just said? Disha ne bhi 5 vowels, but please tell me all of those. Samruddhi, what are the 5 vowels, Samruddhi? Please mute yourself, everyone. Samruddhi. Okay. I want Vimla to try now. I don't know what happened with her network again. Samruddhi, start again. बेटा फिर से बोलिए, कोशिश कीजिए फिर से बोलने की. 5 vowels. I don't know what is happening. Who's on mute? Unmute किसने किया? Please mute yourself, everyone. Please check whether you're on mute or not. Vimla, go on mute, beta. Please mute yourself. I can still hear so many background noises. Class disturb हो रही है बेटा. Please mute yourself. Okay, Vimla, you want to tell us the 5 vowels, beta? 5 English vowels. Please tell us. A
E
E.
I
Very good.
O
Super.
U.
Very good. Amazingly done. Pat your back. बहुत अच्छे से किया. Please pat your back. So A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Now vowels और an की बहुत अच्छी दोस्ती है. They are best friends. Wherever you will find vowel, you will have to put an. Okay? So look at the example given here. It is used before a word which starts with a vowel or a sound of vowel. Wherever you find a vowel word, you will have to put an before it. Example. Disha, can you see orange? Yes, Bimla, can you see orange?
Yes.
Yes, orange starts with O. That's the reason we have an before it. Harsh, can you see octopus? Harsh. Harsh,
Yes.
what do you see here? Harsh Tripathi. Harsh Tripathi. What is this word, Harsh?
दीदी
And do not sleep. Nobody will sleep. Sit straight, everyone. किसी को सोना नहीं है. सीधे बैठेंगे सारे लोग. Yes, it is. What is it? Elephant. And what do we use before elephant? Elephant से पहले कौन सा article use होता है? What article do we use before elephant? And superb. Thank you so much. I want Raj Malik to help me out with the next one. Raj Malik, what is this? Sorry, what is this word? Raj Malik.
Apple.
Apple. And what do you use? What article we use before apple? Because it is A for apple.
Oh.
What article? Article. And okay, thank you so much. Now we go to the next one. That is A. Now, vowel is best friend of an, but consonant is best friend of A. A, E, I, O, U को अगर आप भूल जाओ तो इसके बाद जितने भी इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स हैं जैसे कि B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T.
U V
Yes.
W X Y Z.
Yes, all of these words are consonants. तो ये consonants किसके best friend है? Chaitra, consonants are best friend of whom?
Oh.
So wherever you find consonant, is going to come as a best friend. Okay, now can you read the examples for us, Chaitra?
Bag. Table. Goat. Tree. Table. Hut.
Mango.
Mango.
Super. Thank you so much, Chaitra. Now what you see is everywhere you have consonants is wherever you have consonants, you will have A. Wherever you have consonants, you will have A before it. Wherever you will have consonant, there will be A before it. So A is the best friend of consonant, and is the best friend of vowel. Understood? Not understood? Use your Zoom thumbs. Children, use your Zoom thumbs. Superb. Okay, I can see Vimla, I can see Daksh also using it. Yes, so many of you. Let's go to the last one. Thank you so much, Disha. Now we go to the last one, that is the. Now, the is a definite article. यानी कि अब हमें पक्का पता चल गया कि हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं. Now we know what we are talking about. That's the reason we use. Yes. Yes, Tejal, you want to say something? Yes, Tejal. Go ahead, unmute and say. तेजल आपको कुछ कहना है बेटा?
No, दीदी.
Okay, ठीक है. Now, thank you so much. Definite article. जी.
दीदी मेरे को 12 बजे ट्यूशन जाना रहता है.
But we have class right now. आप थोड़ा लेट चले जाओ ट्यूशन के लिए, ओके? दीदी से कहना कि हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लास चालू हो गई है तो हम लेट आए आज. चलो. Let's continue. Let's continue. The. Definite article the is used when you use it before a specific person, thing or place. दीदी ने कहा bottle है, but then दीदी said this bottle. The bottle is blue. अब हमें पता है we are talking about this bottle and no other bottle in the world. We are talking about only this bottle. So that is the reason we use the. When you know which thing you're talking about, which person you're talking about, which place you're talking about, then it has a the. For example, the Ganges, यानी गंगा rivers जो बहुत सारी मिलती हैं. The teacher of class 3rd A, that is me, and the other teachers. The blue car in the parking lot. Yes, Sonakshi, how many definite articles do we have in the third sentence? Third sentence में कितने articles हैं?
दीदी parking
And blue, right? Blue से पहले एक दो है और parking से पहले एक दो है. How many articles are there? 1 or 2?
2.
2. और दोनों का article कौन सा है?
The parking.
Yes, the यानी कि definite article. It is your definite article. Okay. Now we will quickly revise this. Yes, we will quickly revise this. We have 3 articles: a and the. A and are indefinite article. Indefinite article. 1 second. A and the are indefinite article. But the is a definite article. Indefinite means we are not very sure what we are talking about. But indefinite, we know pakka for sure. We know a specific thing, place, or object that we are talking about. Now, rule for a is the best friend of consonant, but an is the best friend of vowel. So, a is the best friend of consonant, but an is the best friend of vowel. Okay. The is used when we are talking about a specific person. जब हम किसी perfect पक्के person या thing या place की बात कर रहे हो, that is when we use the. Now, if you understood, show me a thumbs up. If you still did not understand, show me a thumbs down. Let's see. Did you understand? Show me a thumbs up if you understood, children. No response? Chaitra, Arohi, क्या हो गया? नहीं समझ रहा है? Yes, you understood. Show me responses. Yes. Okay. Okay. Very good. Now let's go to the exercise. 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da. Now, in this exercise, Didi is going to give you option of chat box. Quickly go to your chat box and you will type answers. In the first exercise, fill in the blanks with a or an. आप a या an से fill in the blanks करेंगे before these words. The first question is flower. What word will you use for flower? Quickly go to the chat box. What article will come before flower? Everyone in the chat box, type your answers in the chat box. Done, 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 done. Come on, everyone. I can see the. Very good, very good. We will not unmute. We will quickly type it in the chat box. Fast in the chat box. Yes. I can see Vimla's answer. Yes, absolutely correct, Vimla, Tejal, and Samruddhi. Amazing. So your right answer here would be a flower. Right? Now we go to the next one. Emotion. A-E-I-O-U. Keep it in your head and remember them always. What will come before emotion? Daksh, come on. Yes, I want to see more people answering. For the second one, emotion. What will be your right answer for emotion? Come on, right, type. I can see Chaitra and Deep. I can see Sonakshi, absolutely correct, beta. Neha, absolutely correct, beta. Yes, Drona. Vimla, you also type your answer, beta. Disha, I want you to type your answer. Samyak, I want you also to type your answer. Come on, Neha. Yes, beta. Yes, Samruddhi. Superb. Amazing responses. So the right answer is and, because E is a vowel. Now let's go to the next one. Harsh, I want you to type your answers and not sleep, beta. Harsh, sona nahi hai. Let's sit straight. Why is your phone crooked? Why are you ultu pultu? Okay. The third one. Cheetah. What will come for cheetah? What article will you use? A or an? Quickly type it in the chat box. A or an? Quickly type it in the chat box. It is C. A-E-I-O-U को ध्यान रखिए. That's a vowel. Okay. Rest everything is a consonant. Quickly type it in the chat box. Type it in the chat box. Type it in the. Vimla, it starts with C. वो vowel से start नहीं हो रहा है. It starts with a consonant. Answer, answer, everyone. Answer, answer, everyone. Answer, answer, everyone. What will be the right answer? Yes, Vimla, absolutely correct. Now, your right answer is A. Absolutely correct. Let's go to the next one. Apple. Harsh, I'm waiting for your responses in the chat box, beta. Please type your answers in the chat box. Fourth one.
And.
Apple. Apple, apple. No, no, no. Just type. Everyone type. Type it in
And
the
apple.
chat box. Type it in the chat box. Type it in the chat box. I want to see answers in chat box. Aravi, you also type your answers in the chat box, beta. Neha, you can also type. Harsh, I'm waiting. Come on, Samruddhi, type your answer. Raj, I want your answer, beta. Apple के लिए क्या आएगा Vimla? Yes, what will come before apple? Samyak, I'm waiting for your answer. Trisha, I'm waiting for your answer. The right answer is an apple. Amazingly done. Tejul is doing very good. Tejul बहुत अच्छे से करती है. I have seen this. Tejul, very good work, beta. Keep it up. Now, okay. Now we go to the next exercise. That is exercise number 2. Anush, please sit up. Do not sleep. We are not in our house. We are in our house, but we are in a class, online class. Let's not sleep. Next exercise. Exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with a and the. Okay? A and the में हमारी English. Okay, we will finish this now. Ria put dash orange in her lunch box. Orange से पहले क्या आएगा? Quickly type in the chat box. Everyone, Trona, type in the chat box, beta. Come on, जल्दी से. A है, an है, the है. What will come? A, an or the. Out of the 3 articles, what is the right answer? Ria put dash orange in her lunch box. Okay, now we will use the right answer. That is absolutely correct, Vimla. An orange, because orange starts with a vowel. Amazingly done, everyone. Now we go to the last one. 1 second, children. 1 second. I have to. 1 second. There is some mistake happening. 1 second, children. Give me a minute. There is some mistake happening. 1 second. Okay, there is 1 minute. We will try to finish as much as we can, and then Didi will show you homework also. So if we finish, please jaldi se 5 minutes ke liye join back kar lena, because Didi has to give you homework. Now we are going back to our last activity. It is dash beautiful story. Chaitra, what is the right answer? It is dash beautiful story.
It is the beautiful story.
Are you sure? The beautiful story?
Yes, it is
It is a. It is a.